Congress is holding a nationwide candlelight march in the wake of the Pahalgam killings. Meanwhile, Owaisi is also leading a black band march in Hyderabad along with Revanth Reddy. And on your screens are visuals from both the national capital and Hyderabad. We have Niyamika and Somit both joining us on the broadcast. Let's first go across to Niyamika. Congress Party's candlelight march against the attack in Pahalgam, Niyamika.
Well, yes, Swati, I would first like to show you the visuals here as we are standing outside 10 Janpath, which is basically the residence of Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, as police has put barricading here as they are not allowing the workers, the Congress workers as well as the media persons to go beyond this road as it was being scheduled that this candle march will take place from 24 Akbar Road, which is the Congress headquarters, towards the 30th January mark. But now the Delhi police has put these barricades. However, it is being told that Rahul Gandhi has gone across as for that reason we have also seen that how Rahul Gandhi has started this march from 24 Akbar Road and he had moved towards a different direction because of the police barricading which was being done on this particular road, as the Congress party is saying that police is not giving them permission to go beyond the Akbar Road, which is not acceptable at all, and that is the reason why they were also started protesting regarding this entire issue, as they had said that we are just doing a solidarity march. It was a silent march which we wanted to do, as many of the senior Congress leaders, including the General Secretary Organization, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, the Treasurer of AICC, Mr. Ajay Maken, along with the Delhi Congress leaders, including Devendra Yadav, Ajay Maken, as well as Qazi Nizamuddin, who
top
is the
leaders of the Congress party on ground carrying out the candlelight march against the attack. On the other hand, visuals coming in from Hyderabad, and Somit is getting us more details on that. Owaisi's black band march, Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister, along with Mr. Owaisi, leading the march.
Well, that's true. Today morning, Owaisi has even distributed the black badges, and MIM leaders at several places have seen staging protests after Friday Juma prayers. And right now, we are reporting from the Indira Gandhi statue from the Tank Bund, and we can clearly see here Revanth Reddy, Chief Minister, Asaduddin Owaisi, other Congress ministers, and also other foreign delegates who have arrived to the Hyderabad city to participate in the Bharat Summit. They are participating in this candlelight rally in the Hyderabad city, and massive crowd gathered. Congress cadre, MIM cadre, they have been given call to arrive here at the Tank Bund, and we are right now seeing the shots. Our VJ Chandrakant right now showing the shots. Across this place, entire this Tank Bund is a historic place in the Hyderabad city, and thousands of crowd gathered here to participate in this rally. And day before yesterday, AICC has given the call, and later Congress leaders at several places they have staged the protest, and BJM, Congress, they are holding candlelight rallies. And today morning, like I said, we have saw Asaduddin Owaisi, along with others staging protests. And right now we are seeing, foreign delegates, Chief Minister, ministers, Asaduddin Owaisi and others participating in this protest rally, condemning the dastardly and cowardly attack, and mainly extending solidarity, support to the victim families, and to show that the people who lost their lives, to those families, that we are there, and this protest continuing across the India. Right now we are seeing the shots.
After multiple statements that were made, we finally see everybody coming together, especially the politicians of the opposition parties as well, coming together, standing one as a nation and sending out a message to Pakistan that we will not bow down to this terror. Thank you very much, Niyamika and Somit, for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.